Seyond is a global leader in cutting-edge LiDAR technology, developing image-grade LiDAR sensors to create a safer, more intelligent, and highly mobile world. Our transformative LiDAR solutions are redefining perception excellence across the automotive, intelligent transportation, robotics, and industrial automation industries, ultimately providing our communities with safer, more efficient, and more modern traffic systems and streets. From self-driving to infrastructure, urban to suburban, railways to mining vehicles, and more. Seyond's LiDAR application has become invaluable across limitless verticals. Seyond's dynamic portfolio of LiDAR solutions stands at the forefront of global innovation, empowering autonomous driving experiences and facilitating the development of more precise and efficient smart cities. And with dozens of strategic partnerships and dedication to continuous R&D advancements, we are not only leading the roads today, but are setting a foundation for continuing excellence tomorrow. Not only do we deliver long-range, high-resolution imaging and accuracy, we offer the scalability needed to accommodate high-volume global production. We have integrated world-class resources from across the world into a supply chain with unparalleled capability and efficiency, a supply chain built to withstand the demands of future markets. We're on track to become ubiquitous in the auto and non-auto spaces, especially as the world moves towards smart mobility. It's all thanks to our diversified and highly specialized team of experts with decades and decades of experience across the entrepreneurial, optical, and electrical engineering spaces. Each data point on the road is critical, and the same goes for everyone on our team. Seyond. See smarter.